Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to buy with coins on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom side of your screen you see your account, and here you should search for coins section. Also in this section you can collect your coins, you can earn them by playing games, and here you can see the products that support coins discounts, and also you can use search box and search for any products that you can buy with coins. So for example, let me show you. If I open, for example, this one, tap buy now button, you will see that I have used 2 coins, and that gave me a little discount. But anyway, so that's basically how you can order with coins on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.